So it has been a while ever since I started watching anime. And the one thing I've always wondered about is, how are they animated? So guess what? Today I will be trying animation for the first time ever. So before we start, the first thing we have to do is get a drawing tablet. So this tablet right here looks pretty nice. Let's get this. Alright.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change.
So this is the Huion Inspiroy H640p.
Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make.
Okay, so now let's quickly install the drivers for the tablet.
Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
And we are ready to go.
I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
Now let's animate. But wait, I don't know how to animate. So let's go to YouTube and learn how to animate. Okay, so now I know how to animate. So let's fire up Photoshop and start animating.
Something about you is mine. Look at time flying by, call you my cherry pie. Something about you is right. Something about you is mine. Look at time flying by, call you my cherry pie.
Okay, so this was a rough attempt to make an animation, and now I understand how it's done. So let's start creating something good. So recently I have been seeing these anime dance videos a lot, and also I really like the art style in the ending song of Jujutsu Kaisen, so I will try to create something by using both the ideas. So now let's download a good TikTok dance clip which I will be using as a base for my animation. So now we have the dance clip, so let's start sketching. So I decided to use different anime characters in this animation, so I will ask my followers on Instagram for some suggestions. So let's wait for their response. So I just checked out my Instagrams and holy smokes, there are a ton of suggestions.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves.
So I just chose which characters to use, so let's add them to our frames.
In a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?
I'm a bit tired of drawing the frames, so let's drink an energy drink.
Lately I can see the sunshine. I can see. I don't know which way to go. Oh, which takes a lot to get my mind right. But you stole my soul.
Energy is back again.
Lately I can't seem to see the sunshine. Oh, hey, I just need some time away from you. Oh yeah, so I can get high for a minute. I can get by, I'll be winning. I just need to turn up and forget about the pain of. I tuck it up with some fun.
So I'm now done with making the keyframes, so this is what it looks like.
But I'm not worried cause I just got some more runs love. And I've been feeding off the gas and all the blunt love. Close the windows and stop feeling all the puff puff. And I've been grinding, I can't feel like I'm enough, bruh. But I get high and then it take me to another world. Might be the underworld, but I don't care.
Now it's time to fill in some colors.
Yo, it's the weirdo crew, hit the crying over you. Found a little beat from me, been walking down this avenue. Took a little time off, gotta do 101. Mr. York, you gone away, it's time to play without the guns. Yeah, ripping on ribbons, so fast as we go. Couldn't be missing the past, I would know. Killing it all, I wanna rage, why you gotta waste your time in a cage?
So this drawing tablet by Huion is a really good option for you if you are looking forward into digital artworks or animation. Also the pressure sensitivity on this tablet is really good, so I will suggest this tablet as it comes in a really affordable price. And also the form of animation I am going for in this video is called rotoscoping. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video so far. If you did, then subscribe and also drop a like. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see my latest artworks and reels there.
Been serving you weekly, been working uniquely. Yeah, we got the juice.
And the animation is finally done. It's time to export it and enjoy the review.
Gotta get it, homie, gotta move it. If you gonna do it, then hope I never jug it. God, everybody just stop, nobody really do it. None, I don't want this to feel, hear me to me. I got the company, now if we hold you, prove no judge. I get the breaks, the walls. I bet I'm pretty, gotta enjoy it. Low, you prove the no. I'm giving up right in the lights. Cause my life is a living for love. I don't give it up right in